What are you thinking on the whole box?
I don't know. What are you thinking?
Thrifting ain't easy. I'm feeling creepy. Comping diapers on my eBay app. Let's go check it out.
They will have toys.
Oh, maybe they might have toys.
Yeah.
You never know.
They still have a toy?
Oh, I see a couple.
Can I pick one?
In just a minute. Let's just look around for a sec, okay? There's a Willie Nelson 8-track there.
Oh my gosh.
Pardon?
I said we got 60
Oh, no,
on it.
I'm sorry, I just discussed with my brother. Had a buddy of mine say he don't really care for the glass.
Oh, I got it.
They do look easy to clean.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Do you like that?
How do the toys look?
Awesome.
Awesome.
This one do. This one's so big.
Alright, well, it's been a while. I need to go through it and get it for him. And I said, I don't have time, I'm leaving.
Who, from Kenny?
Yeah. Hey, what size round? Is it 2x4 or? I know, but I couldn't find it. I got it. I got it. Oh, wait, he got it. 2x4, yeah. Okay. All right. Yes. Are they out there? I think so.
What's it? My son-in-law, I guess I would have to know. I guess I would have to know what he uses, though, don't I? But if you don't do, well, yeah, I'm sure he does. I know it.
That's your other brother? Is that what you're talking about? Yeah, porcelain.
I mean,
Looks like you're using those dam, I guess. Slides into, you know. And that's, possible, I never seen that. No, I haven't either, but I couldn't tell you which they come with that.
Took about 8, like this stack of them.
Yeah, you know, you can't hurry that much longer. Gotta do like feed and shoot, feed and shoot.
No, she's already told me she's got her trailer sold. The guy's picking it up at 6. She wants to clean it up so it looks nice for her. Oh, yeah, she did call me last night. I totally forgot about that.
I'll let you have them for $30.
Well,
They're probably $10 a box.
How much on that box of train stuff right there? Just that.
box, where?
I'll show you.
And my last 2 coins, that's why I was asking. Where's my last 2 coins?
This right here.
Oh,
Got his old race car set.
I'll ask my brother.
Okay.
Oh,
It's not train, that's race car stuff.
Oh, race car stuff?
Isn't that what it is?
Probably. I didn't really look through it. I just
Yeah, that's race
saw.
car.
Okay. That makes more sense. That looks like track.
Yeah, that's race car. I don't know. What do you think it's worth?
It'd be a guess. I do like $10 on it.
All right.
10?
Yeah.
Deal.
You got a pile you're working together, or you already paid for this stuff?
No. Do you have a spot I can make a little pile?
Yeah, let's make a little pile out here. That
Okay.
way we don't get confused and we don't. Let's put your stuff right here in the middle.
That works for me. Thanks so much.
Is that empty brass?
Are you doing this by the box or is it just everything individually?
You want to know if you want it by the box or individually? Make us a deal on the whole box.
Yeah,
What are you thinking on the whole box?
I don't know. What are you thinking?
Let's see.
I gave you 50.
Shit. Did he answer your question?
Yeah. I got a
Okay.
little pile going. Thank you so much.
Okay.
I'd probably do 15 on the box.
Okay,
Good?
that's good.
Okay.
I know nothing about them.
It's just 45 and 9 mil, right?
Seems like a good.
Or is there
deal.
357 in two? I thought it was.
No, mine was done by Amber.
I don't know that he would have any.
He doesn't think he would have had
It would have
anything.
been automatic weapon stuff. Probably Russian would be my guess.
Ever come up with a price on that gun?
Which one? That little pistol in there.
Bumblebee.
Whoa.
Is that Optimus Prime?
Mine.
Tons of them. Like that whole crate.
It's creepy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is there a price on the books? It says $5 for.
$75. Oh, like
It says $5 for game books.
I love the zipper.
Elbow. Yeah, none of them have batteries in them. They set for a long distance. You don't want the batteries to.
Oops. All right, ready? See what we're looking at?
Okay.
I don't know why I had this. Hold on just a second.
Yep. Okay, what are we looking at here?
Okay, so that we had 25 already talked
That's
about.
correct.
And this was 26.
For that.
This is 3, so 29.50. And then I didn't talk to you about this stuff yet.
29. Oh, 50 cents.
Yeah.
29.50.
Yeah.
Okay. These weren't his.
They were from the toy thing
Oh,
over there.
okay. Well, the toy things, those are
Casey.
those are Casey's. Casey, what do you want for these toys? These two airplanes.
Airplanes.
For which? Oh yeah, I told her $2 for the whole thing. Did she still keep it all?
Oh, she had the kites, the stroller, and those.
Okay.
And then that was 3.
Just give me $4 for that.
Okay, give her $4 for that because her money's
Okay.
coming out of it separate.
That'll
Sorry,
work.
you
No, you're
do.
fine.
That's all right.
Do you happen to have 6?
Yeah.
Or,
I do.
Yeah, I just have 3. Thank you.
That? Thank you. No, stay back.
Okay, so we're at 25 here.
Yep.
For the Elmo still? I don't know. Mom.
And these were in that little box just under that table.
All right, well, you can have all of these for $5.
Okay. So 30.
30. Matter of fact, I'll throw that in there too. That too. 30. This don't even work. 32. Is that all right?
Yeah, we're good so far.
I'll take,
I'm glad you're getting that.
33.
I was afraid that somebody would, you know.
You're afraid somebody's gonna what?
People are weird these days about stuff like that. And I mean, it's history. It's theirs. It is what it is.
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
just glad people can appreciate it.
What are we at? 30?
You said
25,
30,
30.
32 is where we're at so far.
32.
Hold on to those. She's like, I trade them for Elmo. Both, please.
Will you do $8 and make it even 40?
40 bucks. Let's do
That'd
it.
be all right. That's fair, I think.
Yeah, I can do that.
40?
Yep.
Sounds good.
All right, thank you.
Thank you guys so much.
I'm sneaky like I'm doing with
Yeah, we gotta keep our eyes. Don't be frisky.
strange people.
he's a soldier.
What are you doing?
He's a soldier. How cool is that?
He's real. You want some help?
I think if I can get this and then I'll come right back for that, maybe. Okay, thank you so much.
You guys have your hands full.
All right, guys, we're back in the garage. If you've been following along the last couple weeks, garage sales have not been great for me. But that all changed this weekend. I feel like we had a really good garage sale weekend. The one that you just saw was the only one that we went to on Friday, and in my opinion, it was enough. Didn't necessarily buy a ton of stuff, but it was the kind of haul that I'm normally jealous of when I see it on a video. So let me show you real quick what we did pick up. So we paid $40 for everything here to resell. All right, let's start here with the not so valuable stuff. I feel like everyone is in the trading card game but me. So I found some interesting looking trading cards and I went ahead and picked them up. I don't think there's a lot of value here, but I just thought they were kind of neat. These are some Decision 92 presidential election type trading cards. I think there's 2 full sets of them right here. And then since we're in Indiana, I got a limited edition IU 92 to 93 Indiana Hoosier basketball trading cards set. These are some Hildebrandt collector cards. Again, not a lot of value, but I thought they were interesting. And then these are a bunch of, I think, 1992, I believe, yeah, Marvel cards. I've not really looked through these. I don't know if there's any rarer or valuable ones in here, but there's a whole big stack of them, so that's pretty cool. Also, this little Spider-Man 2099 poster, like a promo poster thing. Again, I don't think it's worth a whole lot. It may be worth a few bucks, I'm not sure. Then I grabbed this little vintage, I think, leather pocket secretary thing. Sometimes these can be pretty good. The leather felt good. It felt nice. It was in the case. It didn't look like it's ever been used, so I picked it up. Pretty cool, I think. Got this stack of books here, which I kind of felt weird about even buying, but it does seem like there's some value. I'm not sure the rules about selling this kind of stuff because I've never done it before. But like I said, there was some value, so I grabbed them, and there's about 6 of them. This here I thought was a old broken cap gun. Turns out it's called a Mondial 1960. It's made in Italy. Turns out it's an old starting pistol. Horrible condition, and I've never sold anything like that, but I think it may have, even in this condition, a little bit of value. I'm not sure, but he only charged me $2, so pretty cool. This, I think, is a pretty good find. It's a 1975 Hot Wheels Flying Colors American Hauler. It's a Blackwall version. It's not Redline or anything. I saw a sold comp for one of these in the package. The card was definitely better. It sold at auction for about $67 or something. And there's one, again, with a better card where they're asking $300, which is crazy. But I think the value is probably in there somewhere since it is still sealed on the card. But definitely a pretty cool find, especially with how cheap it was. Bought this big box of slot card track and accessories. I was an idiot. I called it train stuff, but it is slot car stuff. I buy a lot of train lots like this and do well just by lotting up pieces of track or different accessories, and it sells really well. And I figured maybe this would be the same, and it looks like it is. So there's tons of track in here. I'm not quite sure what these are, if they're connectors or something. I'm not sure. Power supplies, controllers, triggers, stuff like that. So I paid $10 for this box, and I think I'll be able to make quite a bit just by lotting up different lots and just trying to maximize the value on it. But I love selling stuff like this, and now I'm in the slot car game, which is pretty cool. This here was probably my favorite find. Is this old box of watches. I paid $15 for the whole box, and the reason I did was because I saw a few swatches in there, a few vintage swatches. It turns out there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 swatches, I think, maybe more, I'm not sure. Even this Coca-Cola swatch right here, which is pretty neat. I haven't looked them all up. They're gonna need batteries. Some of the bands aren't great. I saw a recent sold comp on this one right here for 78 bucks plus shipping. So with all these, I definitely think we'll do just fine. There were a lot of little promotional watches, like this old Simpsons watch. Here's a Dennis the Menace watch, Betty Boop watch, a 7-Up watch, a Kellogg's USA Olympics watch, a bunch of stuff like that. Not a lot of value on those, but there were a couple pocket watches, like this one right here. It's an Arnex 17 jewel Inca block watch with a hunter's case. I've seen recent comps on these for between like 70 and 120 bucks, so that is awesome. This pocket watch would have been pretty decent. It's pretty busted up. It's missing the crystal and the front of the case. If the movement still works, then I'll probably just sell it for parts or something. There's a lot of stuff in here that I've not gone through yet. A lot of junk too, but pretty cool. This I even think is worth like 10 or 15 bucks, so not bad at all. And then some costume jewelry, but definitely a good score for 15 bucks. So 40 bucks for all this, and we are gonna do just fine. Pretty excited. So that was Friday's haul, not bad at all. Saturday was pretty good too, but that video will come out in a couple days, and then Wednesday starts the Historic National Road yard sale. So hopefully I'll get you a whole week full of awesome garage sale videos. That's my plan. As always, thank you so much for watching this video, but until next time, stay safe, stay healthy. Love ya, bye. When they hear that cha-ching, and they all look at me, I guess they'll know I'm buying this crap.